Hello, traders. FS Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is three ways up W, three ways down X. I believe we have an ABC forming, which is going to be three ways for a wave Y to complete this WXY pattern. I still believe that the most likely place for this to go is the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off the bottom of wave B, which I think is going to be the most likely place for this to end a wave Y. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still personally think that we're in a uptrend, and I do not think, even though price has been going down pretty strong, I personally think that this is an uptrend. I think this over here is an A. I think this right here is a WXY for the wave B, and I think we're in a 1, a 2, and then eventually we're going to go up and make a 3, 4, 5 of wave Y, which is actually a wave C of wave Y. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we do have a break of structure down right here, but I actually will show you in a minute why I don't think that's a significant break. I still think this is a 1, a 2, and I still think this is all just part of a wave 3, and I still believe that we have a decent amount of upside potential to finish off this wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, now this is definitely three waves down. This is definitely three waves up, which is why I think this is a 3, 3, and then a 5 pattern. I think it's a flat pattern. I think it's an expanding flat because we have a breakout on the upside. We have a breakout on the downside on the wave C, which would be a 3, 3, 5 expanding flat, which I think is telling us that this is going to continue the uptrend most likely and continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of that wave 3, which I think is a wave 3 of wave 1, which I believe is a wave 1 of wave Y on the much longer time frames. So taking it right down to the 1-hour time frame, we definitely had a very strong push up today, as you can see, and it did break some structure, which is actually a pretty good sign that this move down right here potentially could make a higher low. So I would definitely be looking at this move down as possibly making a higher low, and if it does make a higher low and then an impulsive engulfing move to the upside, then I would definitely take that as a long opportunity, potentially maybe even a 1, a 2, and potentially even go up for a wave 3. So definitely trade with caution. I wouldn't go long unless I saw the higher low with an engulfing and impulsive move to the upside, but it does seem pretty likely that that is how it's going to play out. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.